Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
4JJ1 close band 10 feet. This one it's 5 stud.
5 stud.
Yes, it's fully chrome face.
What year model, brother?
This one 2023 year model, brother.
2023.
Yes.
It's fully recalled.
It's as is condition.
As is
Harap
condition.
sa likod mole. Tariwan chassis.
Front.
Front suspension, and
Suspension.
the red mole.
Okay. Then the price?
We can give you like 775.
Okay.
It's fully recon.
That's still negotiable?
Slightly negotiable.
Okay.
The Carlo, or you can contact us. You can call to this number. It's
Okay.
enough for us.
Okay. So, thank you, brother.